Hi, welcome back to the tutorial on configuring the FitCompare agent. In the last video, we configured the Select Rows node to fetch applicant data. Now, we'll use the Prompt Your LLM node to compare that applicant data. Start by dragging and dropping the Prompt Your LLM node onto the canvas and connect it to the Select Rows node. Then, configure the child nodes as required. In the prompt section, I'm pasting a predefined prompt, where I'm instructing the LLM to take applicant data as input and return the output in a JSON format with the following keys: LLM analysis, containing the analysis generated by comparing the applicant data, resume IDs as, listing all the resume IDs in a specific format, which we'll use in the next node. Close the prompt editor. Then quickly create and map the variables to the outputs of the Prompt Your LLM node. Click Save to save the agent. That's it. Our Prompt Your LLM node is successfully configured. In the next video, we'll see how to present this analysis to the user. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.